In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a tours and travels booking website with WordPress in just 30 minutes. We'll begin right inside the WordPress site editor on your homepage. This is where you control the layout and content of your homepage without touching code. Once you're there, click the highlighted area to open the main home template so you're editing the actual front page your visitors will see. Next, click the highlighted control to open the inserter panel. This is your toolbox for adding sections, layouts, and design elements. In the search field that appears, type a relevant keyword, like travel or tours, to quickly find designs that fit a booking-style website. This helps you move fast and keeps your look consistent. Now, switch to the Block Patterns tab. Patterns are professionally designed combinations of blocks you can insert with a single click. Choose a hero or banner pattern you like, then click the highlighted preview to insert it. This will instantly give you a strong first section with space for a headline, supporting text, and a call to action. Click the highlighted text areas to rewrite them with your tour brand's message. Think a clear promise, a short description, and a benefit-driven statement. Then click the highlighted button to update its label and link destination. Use action language that makes sense for your site, like Explore Tours or Book Now. Add another highlighted pattern for featured destinations or services to showcase what you offer. Click the highlighted elements to adjust titles and descriptions so they match your tours, regions, or packages. Keep your copy simple and helpful so visitors can skim and understand quickly. When you reach an image section, click Media Library. Select high-quality photos that reflect your destinations and experiences. If you're uploading new images, keep file sizes reasonable for fast loading and use clear file names. Consistent image styles, similar lighting and color, will make your site feel polished. With your content in place, click Save. WordPress may prompt you to confirm what's being saved, template, patterns, or styles, so review and confirm. Saving regularly keeps your progress secure and makes it easy to refine later. When you're ready to go live, click Launch. This publishes your updated homepage so visitors can see it. Finally, click the highlighted link to view the live site and confirm everything looks and reads the way you intended. That's it. You've assembled a clean, travel-ready homepage using WordPress patterns, custom text, and your own images. As you continue refining, keep your messaging clear, use descriptive headings, and choose visuals that guide visitors toward booking. Thanks for watching, and enjoy